So this is an example of a custom function that does something very simple and takes no arguments, right? So it's called do welcome. And what it does is every time I type this, it executes this code. So I'm taking these 5 lines of code and a comment, and I'm putting them inside here so that anytime I want to do that during my program, I can just type do welcome with the parentheses. And notice when I'm calling the function, there's no colon also. Okay, so that is a very, very simple custom function. Now that is strictly a do something. Remember, functions can do something, or they can return something, or they can both return something and do something. And where is my... There we go. All right, so let's play around with this. So I've got this function that I want to define. So I type def. I'll call it do welcome. And then I'm going to give that no parameters to start with. And we'll print some fun things out here. We're going to print an asterisk, and we'll multiply that times 60. And then we'll print, we'll go another row inside that. We'll get extra fancy today. And then we'll print a welcome here. It will say, hello world. And we'll center that in a line of 60. And then we'll copy these lines, copy that, paste it, copy that, paste it. All right, so if I run this right now, I want to point out, notice it does nothing, because all I did was define the function. All I did was create the function. I didn't use the function, I didn't call it yet. So when I want to call that function, I just type it like that. And then it's going to do that thing. Now, if I call that function twice, it will do that thing twice, right? So it does hello world and hello world again.